you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring another box by Doing Good Co. to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, this box just arrived and Doing Good Co. did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me one of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys do know, I have been showing them from time to time throughout my channel. They have amazing already done up curated boxes readily available on their website with some other products. So I absolutely love it because if there's any occasion coming up, you can go to their site, check out what they have, and you can purchase a one-time box anytime you want. It is not a subscription or anything that you have a commitment to. They just have amazing curated boxes. They have different sizes, and again, there's different items. So when you go to their site, you can actually shop from small and large boxes. They even have some mini sets available as well, but they're all priced so well. There's amazing products inside. You can see what's all inside of them before you purchase. And just to give you an example of all of the different style boxes that they have available and ready to go, they have You're a Blessing, Live Simple, there's a watermelon themed one, Just Because, So Loved, You Are Beautiful, Thank You, there's a congratulations, there's a birthday, a thinking of you, sorry for your loss, and there's even a box for dog and cat lovers. So pretty much there's something for any occasion or simply just because or to spoil yourself. And then they also have other gifts as like wood signs, succulents, tumblers, mugs, stone coasters, all different types of candles. There's stationery. There's again the mini gifts, and there's even holiday gifts. So definitely if you want to check them out, they will be linked down below, and it's doinggoodco.com is where you can find them. Great ideas for yourself or any occasion coming up. You can get them as a gift. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is all inside of this box. Now, this is one of the Mother's Day boxes. So this is one of the holiday boxes, and I'm super, super excited. Mother's Day is definitely coming up. So if you wanted to see a variation of a box that you can maybe get to your mother or a mother figure in your life, or yourself, then I definitely wanted to show you this box. So when they got a hold of me and they said, do I want to show you guys the Mother's Day box? I'm like, yeah, it's been a while, and I love to keep you guys informed in different things you can get for gift giving ideas. So let's go ahead and get this opened. So again, it does come in the mailer bag to protect the box. It says, happy hello, Tracy from Georgia. Thank you so much for sharing my Mother's Day box with your audience. At Doing Good Co., we make it easy to share your heart in a way that is tasteful, thoughtful, and tangible without all of the running around. We'll deliver the package right to their door. Seriously, it's that simple. And your personal note at checkout. It will be beautifully displayed when the box is opened. Ooh, so this is the Mother's Day gift box, and the original price for it is $34.99, but they did give me a code to pass down to you guys, which would give you 10% off. So my code is SheCrafty10, and that will get you guys 10% off at checkout. That is amazing. And now it's going to go in and tell me like everything that's in this box, but I don't want to spoil it. I want to show you guys as we pull it out. So this is how it comes. It's in this really nice white solid box, which you can use for anything or storage or to reuse it as a gift for somebody else because there's no markings or anything on it. It's just an all white box. It is tied with raffia, and then there is a Happy Mother's Day tag right on top. That is super, super cute. So you can even write something on the back or write who it's to, and it's all nice and done up and basically wrapped and ready to go. It's gift ready for you. And that's how all of the gift boxes do come. They're all nicely wrapped up and ready to go. So I definitely love the presentation and all the time and care that she does take to put into each one of these boxes for you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. Again, the Mother's Day box. So when you open it up, this would be the card right on top. It says, Happy Mother's Day. You have a beauty that comes from within. And this is actually a postcard. So you can send this to somebody, or they can even mail it to somebody. If they have like a mother or something, they received this box, they could always send this postcard to another mother, so, or they can keep it for themselves. So I think that is really, really cute. And I like all the colors on it. And then there's like this little house on top. They always do take so much care in packaging, and putting little touches like this, it just means a lot, especially to the receiver. You just don't see that in a lot of, boxes. They don't take that time, and she takes that extra time. It says "So Special with Doing Good Co." right there. So you have the tissue paper, and again, this is exactly how it will come, all ready, gift ready to go. You don't have to do anything. And if you make the card at checkout, it'll be on there. So again, you really don't have to do anything but hand it or mail it straight to the person that it's going to go to. This is the presentation when you first open the box. And now let's go through each individual item and see what's all inside. Again, it's $34.99, and SheCrafty 10 will take 10% off. So she always does these cute little cards in here. I think there's always 2 of them in here. It's mini shareable card pack. Keep one or share one, or do whichever you would like, but isn't that a really pretty image? And I love those colors. So normally they're blank on the inside, or sometimes it might have a little saying, but let's see what these are. There's 2 little envelopes, and then you do get their card. That's the business card for Doing Good Co. right there. And then here are the 2 cards, and inside it is not blank. It says, "You are awesomely, wonderfully made. Wonderful are your works." How cute. That is a really nice saying. And look at the little flowers. So you do have 2 of these. You can keep it, or you can give them to somebody else, but you do have these 2 cards that are included. Now we have, it says, "God bless Mom," and it's a really pretty like writing pen. And it does, is that a bookmark that's in there with it? It looks like, yes, I think so. Let me open it and see. I think that might be a bookmark, or maybe you can utilize it as a bookmark, but let's see. So it is a bookmark right there. So that's the front of it. Very, very pretty, especially with all those colors and the flowers. And the back of it does have this back here. So then they can use this as a bookmark. And then here is the pin that matches. Isn't that so pretty? There we go. And then there's that. And let's see what color this writes. And it is a black ink. So bookmark and a pin. Now we have is safety matches. How cool. I don't recall there having this on there before, because I think like the very first one I got was several years ago. So it has been some time that I've been showing you guys this box, and I don't recall it having an actual match strike on there. I think that might be new. Either that, or I never really realized it before, which could be. I think that's a really neat touch that you do have a strike on here, and it's this little glass bottle. So they're always going to stay dry, and they'll always be ready for you to use. So you have this glass jar of all of these safety matches with that strike. I love that. So then you do have a candle, so you can use this to light your candle. These are always great to have in an emergency when power goes out and you need to light a candle or anything, or just need to see some light, relight a stove, a barbecue, anything like that. So these are always great to have. And then this is lemon pound cake, hand poured in Georgia. And this is the Doing Good Co.'s candle. Lemon, butter, sugar, and vanilla are the notes inside of this one. And oh my gosh, lemon pound cake. Their candles smell so, so good. Oh my gosh, that does smell like a lemon pound cake. I can't wait to burn this. My man's probably going to come home and think I'm actually baking some lemon pound cake. I'll be like, nope, sorry, babe. It's just candle. But I absolutely love their candles. I love candles in general. So that is really cool that you have the candle and you have the matches inside. Now we have is a heartfelt notepad. And I really like that it's just a plain, it just has like this little soft color of like mauve tones to it. And then you have this little guy to keep it closed, and it's just all lined. It does say on the bottom, oh, they're a little bit different. Okay, hold on. So one says grow through what you go through. Ooh, that's nice. Grit and grace. Keep going, keep growing. Yes. Blessed. Courage is beautiful. Live life in full bloom. Every moment is a fresh beginning. Begin each day with a grateful heart. Grow through what you go through. Okay, grit and grace. So they do repeat themselves after a little bit of time, but that's a whole lot of really inspirational little things to say on the bottom. So at the bottom of your little notepad, you have one of those on there. I think that's really, really neat. And you just flip it over and it's really small and convenient. Great size to pop in your desk, your purse, your glove box, or your center console in your car. I had a brain fart for a second. I couldn't think of a glove box. You can definitely put this anywhere because it is nice and handy, and I really like that size, and I like those colors on there. So you have this to use for anything. Now you have is a magnet, and it definitely matches with the pin, this whole theme, and that's one thing I love. The whole box matches. So it says, God bless Mom. Her children rise up and call her blessed. So that's what the magnet looks like. They can always put it on the refrigerator and then we'll remind them of you. That is so cool. And then down here we have is something like this. It looks like there's like a 2-part in here. It says lemon sugar, whipped lemon sugar scrub. Ooh. So I wonder if one side you have like a lemon and then one side is kind of like a sugar because there's 2 different colors. It smells really, really good. And I love a good whipped sugar scrub. So I can't wait. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I can't wait to use this in the shower tonight. It's a 2-ounce whipped lemon sugar scrub. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. And then down inside the box, it has all of these squiggles that everything was all nestled in, staying nice and secure and safe inside. So all of that really amazing good presentation with all of these items is what you would find in this Mother's Day box. But again, they have all of those other already curated boxes readily available for any gift idea or for yourself at any given time. You can just go get them whenever you want. And I love that they do that. So anytime there's an occasion that comes up, just keep this company in mind. Save it in your browser, that kind of thing if you would like. And you can check out all of their amazing boxes that they do all the different times. So there's new ones coming out all the time. You can always check back and see what they have. But that is everything for this Mother's Day box. Again, you have the lemon sugar whipped scrub. You have the candle. You have the matches. You have a magnet. You have a set that comes with a bookmarker and a writing pen. You have the 2 different cards that you can gift to somebody or keep for yourself. You have the notepad, and then you have the postcard. You have this cute little card with the raffia that came on the box, and this little cute little thing that was on there as well. So that's everything for this box. Okay, you guys. So definitely let me know down below, what did you think of this Mother's Day box? What do you think of the items that were put inside? Have you heard of this company? Do you now want to check them out? Definitely let me know. And again, they will be linked down below, and SheCrafty 10 will get you 10% off. Thank you so much for sending me one of your boxes to show my viewers. I think this is amazing, especially with Mother's Day coming up. This might give you an idea to get either yourself or a mother in your life. So there you go. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.